what I'm doing is not illegal. It's basically just saying, it's game time, Kentucky. It's a Kentucky sign with a basketball. Nowhere on this is any font of UK or anything like that. And we're just going to use the Kentucky colors, the blue and the white, and basketballs. That is a legal way to make a sports wreath, and it will still sell. And if I was going to list this on Etsy, I can list it as a Kentucky sports wreath. You cannot list it as a UK wreath, but I can list it as a Kentucky sports wreath. Sports items are super popular right now. No, it's Game Time Minnesota. Can't say Vikings. It can say it's Game Time Minnesota. In the team colors. Say for an example, it's the Kansas City Chiefs. It's Game Time Kansas. Louisiana, it's Game Time Louisiana. And then you can use several different colors, LSU colors, Saints colors, whatever. You can give a wreath as a gift if it has licensed merchandise on it. Because that is for personal, that is when you're using it for personal. So if you make a wreath with a licensed product on it, you can give it as a gift because that is personal use. I don't know if y'all can see that because I'm using white pipe cleaners. Let me tilt it. There you go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use some basketball ribbon. And then I like to keep my sports wreaths kind of manly. So what I'm going to do, and plus it's in the sign, that we have gingham on the sign edge on my sign. Alright, so we're going to cut our ribbon 14 inches. And I'm cutting 12 pieces. Now for this step, you can either go mesh or deco tubing. I'm going to use mesh because I have this in leftover mesh as well. Now, if you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. Alright, so I'm going to put my bow kind of high because the sign is pretty thin. That's a pretty Kentucky bow, my friends. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to use my metal hole punch, and I'm going to punch a little discreet hole in my sign. And I purposely punched a hole in the white part so that you wouldn't see my pipe cleaner. And then to add the icing on the cake, y'all, we're just going to use 3 little simple items. Like there's not enough basketballs on here to get the point across. That's okay. We're going to make sure we got the point across. So the sign came from the Ribbon Shed. And by the way, the Ribbon Shed does sell Unique in the Creek boards. The Ribbon Shed is a local store to me. She sells Unique in the Creek boards. See, the basketballs are just the perfect touch, my friends. Is how you make a sports wreath that you can legally sell. And I guarantee my UK fans are going to go crazy for it.